Guys, we are back for another helping of Series 29 figures. Let's check it out. Okay, today we are taking a look at Series 29. Once again, we've got 3 clickies to unbag. We're going to have 2 girls' bags to unravel, and a single boy's figure. Let's take a look at Series 29. This is set 72028. This is the girls' mystery figures, and we have 12 to collect, but we've already got 2 of them. Last episode we did an unbagging of Series 29. We got 2 of the witches and this one Ice Queen here. So we're hoping for somebody new and different, and hopefully somebody really cool. So again, here's the back of the package. But enough of that. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Let's see what's inside. Oh no, pieces just went flying everywhere. Well, this is not one figure I was expecting, but I'm actually kind of happy to have it. As I say that with all my clickies, I'm kind of excited that I've got a female construction worker. Very cool matching outfit here. She is well protected with all that reflective gear. Very nice. She comes with this bucket. Okay, so it looks like we've got some tools included with this figure. We've got 2 trowels. Here's a pointed trowel, and then a flatter edged trowel, and then a hammer. And then we have 2 brushes. We got a larger one here. Let me move this in here. We got a larger one here and then a smaller one. And then we have what looks to be like a little chisel tool. And this leads me to believe that I think our clicky is a bricklayer, because these are definitely bricklaying tools. Even the brushes are, because they use these to clean the bricks off with excess mortar to keep it clean and make it professional, like a professional job, but also to prevent any trouble should any excess mortar dry on a brick, making it harder to continue laying bricks if that is required. So yeah, 6 tools and a bucket. And here's our construction girl with our customized clicky of John Lennon. Totally unrelated, I know. Alright, moving on to the second figure here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, I'm not going to be surprised if I get a double again, but I really hope I don't. I didn't. I got the robot. Oh my gosh, this was the one. This is the one I wanted. Oh my gosh, I am stoked. I am so happy. Here's her face. Really cute. I know a lot of people don't care for this figure. I personally love it. I'm a huge fan of the Jetsons, old cartoon, and it's like a futuristic cartoon, but it's a little cheesy because it was a cartoon that came out during the 60s, and then they revamped it in the 80s, and they even came out with a movie in the 90s. And they even came out with a comic book that does not, where the main characters do not resemble the characters from the classic Hannah-Barbera cartoon at all. It's a little more serious. And they had a robotic robot. Well, they had a robotic maid named Rosie. And she was always the highlight of the show for me. I love this figure. This is definitely among one of my favorite figures now. Not quite the Playmobil face that we all know and love. I do think they could have used the regular face for this and just painted over it, kind of like what they do with the Novelmore figures. But it's unique, and I like that. So I can't fault them for that. This is a great figure. Gotta admit though, I'm a little surprised that the Playmobil didn't include a stand, because Rosie here is a little bit top heavy, where she's got her arms out and the weight of the tray and the drinks are kind of wanting her to lean forward. But I might have an extra one that I can use so she can stand up on my shelf without any trouble. And here's our robot clicky with a few other robot clickies. So now we're taking a look at Series 29. This is set 72027, and these are all the boys. There's quite a few in here that I would like. I definitely want the bug guy, the basketball player, the Japanese warrior, the pirate. Here's the back of the package. But let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got here. I'm going to try not to look. Oh, I think it's the bug. I think. No, it is the bug. Oh, very cool. I guess his wings are in this little baggie here. Here's his head. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at this. This is the arm. One of them. Here's his body so far. This one is so cool. That is too cool. I did take a second to test if the bug here glows in the dark, and he doesn't. So sorry about that. I would have liked it if he did, personally, but I can live without it. And here are our clickies fully assembled. This is the front of them. And here's the back. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going on except for the little bug character with the wings sticking out. I am very pleased with what Series 29 is giving us this time around, and I can't wait to get another batch of them. Hopefully I do before somebody else buys them all. But I gotta say, the one that I was really looking forward to is our robot figure, and I'm most excited to have that one to add to the collection. And I've already got a spot for her on my little display shelf, which I will show you one day, maybe in another video coming up. And until then, that's really it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We've got more on the way, guys, so stay tuned. We will see you again next time. Everybody, thanks for watching, and everybody have a great day. We'll see you around. Bye-bye.